I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make royal icing sugar cookies like a pro. First, let's understand royal icing. It's a hard, drying frosting perfect for intricate designs. You'll combine powdered sugar with meringue powder or egg whites, adding water until you reach the right consistency. This foundation is key for beautiful, professional-looking cookies. We'll cover how to get that perfect flow and stiffness. Before we even think about icing, perfect cookies are essential. Bake them consistently, around 1/4 of an inch thick, to ensure they are sturdy and flat. Always let your cookies cool completely, ideally overnight, before you start decorating. This prevents the icing from melting or running, giving you a clean, professional finish every time. A good base makes all the difference. Now for the fun part, decorating. Start with outlining your cookie using a stiffer icing, then immediately flood the area with a thinner consistency. For stunning effects, try wet-on-wet techniques, dropping wet icing onto a freshly flooded surface. Remember, patience is key. Allow each layer to dry completely, typically 6 to 8 hours before adding more details. To keep your masterpieces fresh, store decorated cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. To avoid frustrating color bleed, always ensure each layer of icing is completely dry before applying the next. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, make sure to check the description below for links and other deals. Happy decorating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.